day trade type of day in the market today in the Nasdaq, gold, and silver. Let's look at the Nasdaq first. The V-reversals were the highlight. Here was the V-reversal. I have a short side, V-reversal 2, long and short. The V-reversal 2 short captured the move to the downside in the morning. So you had a move down in the morning, a move up in the afternoon, and a mean reversion day overall. You have RSI breakout capturing the short trade here. It fades that RSI breakout. Momentum fader took the long trade, hit its profit target. And then V-reversal 4 hit its profit target of 100 points. V-reversal 5 still in, about to get out. V-reversal combo 24 hit its profit target of 100 points. Here it is in NinjaTrader V-reversal combo 24. That's the trade in NinjaTrader, same as TradeStation. I'm showing 8 for 8 in the SR CounterTrend gold for 3 really strong days in a row in the gold futures. Silver futures took its trades later in the day instead of earlier. Also, SR CounterTrend, and the silver was weak the last couple of days. Came back today. It hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 out of 9. And so there's a short trade early. 8 for 9. Those are the strong trades on the day. Let's go over the rest of the trades in the 1 million MNS. Copper, no trades. Crude oil in this long trade right here. Crude swing and natural gas, no trades. The crude swing trade holds trades overnight. Has a $2,000 stop loss. And so let's look at overnight strategies. These are the weakness, but strong at the end of the day. VSD is very aggressive. It's gone through a 3-day massive chop fest after Thursday's sell-off. It took the long and the short trade last Thursday. Friday it got chopped up. Yesterday was a holiday. Today it got chopped up. And so it could be time to turn this one back on. The day trade Nasdaq strategies did well. The VSD NQUS down on the day. The VSD 2024 down on the day. 60-minute breakout up. And then the 60-minute breakout NQ. This is a different variations. Capturing the trade at the end of the day, you can see a massive sharp move here. It looks like it's about to roll over. 45 minutes for the cash close. It has about a 120-point run in about 20 minutes. Pulls back and then has another massive run of another 110 points in about 20 minutes. So 2 20-minute moves of about 120 points to take it from 16,200, 212 to up to past 18,400. So, there was some pullbacks, this pullback along the way, but sharp moves here at the end of the day. We continue to see that. Came back here, took out the highs, I believe. Yeah, just took out the highs. So, morning sell-off, just took out the highs, and now it's trying to work back all the selling from last Thursday's Fed speak and White House press conference. The market sold off hard. Market is just paused here, fighting to get those back, and this is something that we've seen in a while. Or have seen in this market, constant mean reversion. The other counter trend strategies: VSD mean reversion in Q down, momentum reversal down on the day. Trend strategies: Viper, the $600 stop loss lost on the day. The $1,200 stop loss was able to weather this and be profitable on the day. EVP1 capturing it was stopped out on the short side, and then it was able to make that trade at the end of the day on the long side. And the S&P strategies, Night Trader VSD hitting profit targets after hours minus 125, Asia 4 minus 1287.50. ES counter trend momentum reversal minus 1225, and that is no trades in this workspace. Minus 1225. DTM4 has taken a beating lately, and so overall, let's take a look at the trades on the day for the 1 million MNS. So this is where we were coming into the day. $34,000 drawdown, good potential entry point. I want to get past the inflation data tomorrow now. And the run-up in the metals has been really strong. And so I anticipate some volatility around that 7:30 a.m. report tomorrow in the metals. And we have show a plus 6.7K on the 1 million MNS, which is 1.3K on the 200K portfolio, about 0.6%. 250K portfolio, 1.3K, 1 million plus 6.7K, plus 0.6% on the day, and just trying to dial this entry in for our best entry price. This is still a good entry, plus 6,700 on the day, puts it at about 27K drawdown, or about a 3K risk, or a 6K risk to worst case drawdown on the 250K portfolio, which is about just a little over 2%. And we want to get past the inflation report. Let's look at the metals. Are oftentimes, they've been on a hot streak, and they're oftentimes a lot of volatility around those 7:30 reports, especially right now around the inflation and jobs reports. And so we're going to look at that, and also these overnight strategies. And 15 minutes after this report, we are going to take trades if it's a loss on the day. If we're at a loss on the day during the inflation reports, based on the Nasdaq strategies and the metals strategies and all that's trading right now, we have crude oil strategies open. We're going to calculate the drawdown and compare it to the end of day drawdown, and avoid any extreme volatility moves around the inflation data to enter into this portfolio for the month and for the quarter. So excited to get that opportunity to turn on live trading at a good entry point. Today was a small gain. Let's look at what it's been doing. The last equity peak was on March the 20th, and our winning percentage has dropped to 25% of winning days. And you can see here the losing streak and the chop to start the new quarter. We've seen that before. I'm used to seeing more trendy starts to the quarter, a decade or so ago. But now we're seeing more of a choppy start to the second quarter like we saw last year. And then there was a big day on Thursday with that big trend. And then since then, it gave that back with two volatile days. And today it was up a little bit, up 6,700. And so coming in to tomorrow, we're going to compare that worst case drawdown, 23,000 to the worst case drawdown. Look at where we are after the jobs report. This number will change after today's update. This is through yesterday. Today, that number will end up being around the 27K level. And so 30K to the worst case drawdown, which is about 3%. And then any volatility that we see that's against the strategies that gives us a better intraday entry price, that's when we'll start the 100K for live trading, 20% of an E-mini per 250K. And we really want to get on top of these strategies and get a good entry price to run, to have a nice run up in these strategies. You see it was down 16K on the month coming into the month. Now it's down about 9K. So this is the drawdown curve. A lot of equity peaks. You see a lot of density of equity peaks. It was due for some fluctuation, normal drawdown. And so we like to get in on these pullbacks and then try to release into a run up. So that is the 1 million MNS daily results and our strategy for trading to enter in on Q4 and for the month of April. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.